Top 3 foods you must eat if you want to stop a cough in seconds. Number 1. Honey. It has this natural soothing properties that coat your throat, reducing irritation and calming your cough. Just a spoonful can make a huge difference. Plus, honey has antibacterial properties that can help fight off infections causing your cough. Number 2. Ginger. Known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, ginger is a must-have when you're dealing with a stubborn cough. Ginger helps relax the airway muscles and has been used for centuries to treat respiratory issues. Number 3. Peppermint. This refreshing herb contains menthol, which acts as a natural decongestant. Menthol can help break down mucus and soothe your throat, providing almost instant relief from coughing. Now, for the ultimate cough relief combo, try mixing honey, ginger, and peppermint together. Simply brew ginger and peppermint tea, then stir in a spoonful of honey.